Are you still worried about throwing away the inter-LED module? Welcome to RAYBO LED. With 18 years experience in industry, we are showing internal methods to bring them back to life. Watch our step-by-step guide to repair single LED chip. It's easier than you think. First, we need to disassemble the mask from the module. This requires electric screwdriver with a 5x60 by 1.6 mm bit. This LED module is outdoors, and its surface is coated with waterproof glue. We need to use tweezers to scrape off the glue around the LED chip we want to repair. Okay, after scraping off, we use a heat gun to blow away the glue from the LED chip. Use tweezers for easier removal. Next, we need to apply for solder paste, model KL558. After blowing away the glue from the LED chip, we apply the solder paste to the surface. Finally, we need to use a solder iron model T12 to solder the new LED chip. The LED chip must be oriented in the same direction as the LED chip on the module, facing the light. The small black dot on the LED chip is a red light. It should be facing up or down. The solder iron temperature is around 280 to 350 temperature. Smooth it with a solder iron, and then solder the solder wire. And this should be done by a professional. The final step is to solder the new LED chips and inject waterproof glue. Our LED module is now like new. Okay, if this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and follow RAYBO LED to get more repair tips and factory insights. Our company mission is product quality and service. Contact us today, and our experts are ready to help you customize the display solution for your business.